All right, mamas, welcome back to the channel with another video. It's a video. All right, mamas, so welcome back. So like promised, I said I'm gonna do way more vlogging, especially when I have places to go. My camera looks super weird. It looks so weird. I'm like switching up the method. So this is 4K, but I don't like how it looks. It looks better in like natural light 4K. But yeah, I'm about to go to the nail salon, and I actually have a lot of errands that I need to get done. So I figured, out of breath. I figured let me take you guys with me because I have a lot of little errands I need to do, and I thought I'd take you guys along with me. Look at my makeup, even though I'm about to put my mask on. But yeah, my hair. And lily lashes, foundation is a LCC cream. Lips, I just have on this Glow Recipe like lip balm, and that's it. My eyes is the Makeup by Mario palette. Lately I've been liking those really just soft natural looks, and I'm about to get ready to get up out of here. Camera looks so good in natural lighting. So anyway, I'm gonna take y'all along with me, let y'all see what it's like at the nail salon. My nails look like shit. They look so bad. So I say a mani and a pedi, and I always do gel on both. So yeah, I'm gonna put my jacket on and my mask. And let's see what the day is looking like. All right, y'all. I was the worst vlogger today. I did not take you guys with me. I know I did really bad. I did not take you guys with me, but it was just so crazy. It was so much stuff that kind of happened today, so I'll basically let you guys know. But this is gonna basically be like kind of like a haul, because I'm just gonna show you guys all the stuff that happened and give y'all like a little story time of my day. So I did go to the nail salon. Look at my nails. I took my polish and stuff completely off. I didn't even get them done because honestly one of my nails broke, so this one is broke, and I'm like, fuck it, I didn't want to cut it all the way down. Like, I'm gonna just let it grow, or even I'm gonna put acrylics on. I had my girl put acrylics on, don't mind that. I'm gonna have my girl probably put acrylics on my hand and stuff. In that big box right there, that box is like a toy box, and it's a rack that I need to take out. So don't mind that. Look at my frontal. My frontal is freaking coming off. That's how y'all know I had a long day. So yeah, so I did that. I'm gonna show y'all my feet though. My feet look super duper duper cute. I love the colors, so hold on. And this is just my toes. They look so cute. I love them. They look so stinking cute. All right, so boom, the stuff I got from Sally is mainly hair stuff. I don't know if I told you guys on here or not. I'm pretty sure I didn't, but basically I am going to be launching my own new business. It is a wig, like a wig line. I will be selling wigs. It's gonna be, well, my site is Wigs by My. It's not up yet. Once my site is like official and stuff, I will definitely do a whole in-depth video and tell y'all about it. I don't know why this shit is bothering me, but I'll tell y'all a whole in-depth video about it and all the specs. But basically my wigs are going to be frontals and closure wigs, and the wigs are going to be pre-plucked, bleached, and all that good stuff, and styled. So all you guys have to do is basically either put on your head if you're not going to put anything to make it adhere, or put your glue, your got to be, whatever it is. So Wigs by My. Stay tuned for my wig line. But let me show y'all what I got for Wigs by My. So I needed like a 1.5 inch iron, so I went ahead and got the Ion Pro curling iron. So it looks like this, and this is basically going to be the curling iron that I'm going to use for like all my longer lengths, to give you like just that effortless romantic kind of curl. So I'm going to use that. Of course I needed a big ass thing of bleach. Y'all, I got some quick blue. I got this just so that I can I have to basically bleach the frontals, bleach the closures, or if I'm gonna add like a little color to any of the units. So you basically need bleach. Then I got 2 developers. I think I have some developer now, but I just got more because I don't want to be without. So I got the Ion Sensitive 30 developer, and it's a conditioner and a wheat protein. So I got a 30, and I also got a 20, but the 20 I got a smaller one. So I got a 20 just in case. And then I got 2 Color Brilliance by Ion, basically a bright white powder. And this gives you up to 7. It'll lift up to 7. So I got this as well. Because I'm going to have a blonde unit that I'm going to sell for you guys. And it's going to be super fire. So I needed that for that unit. And then I went to MAC. Right? When's the last time you heard somebody say, and then I went to MAC. But MAC only bought like 2 things, literally. I bought a Chestnut Lip Liner, which is like a staple. I feel like you have to have like chestnut. And y'all know I'm a brown kind of girl, so I love my brown lip liner. So I got a Chestnut Lip Liner. Looks like this, regular schmegular chestnut. I'll even do a swatch in case you guys haven't seen chestnut. And I got a chestnut. And then I got this new from one of the soft matte eyeshadows collections. It's called Devoted to Chili. I think this is so freaking cute. I love like a warm color. I wanted to get more, but I'm just like, the stuff from MAC, it just honestly wasn't calling me. I'm like, I could get all this shit from Sephora. But I'll swatch this color so you guys can see because it is very pretty. And the texture and the formula is super nice. So this is Devoted to Chili. That's how that looks. So those were the things I had ended up getting from Sally's and MAC. Those were the items. So I'm going to just give you a brief story about this iPad. So basically my whole purpose of going to the mall today was so that I can go get my son's iPad fixed. Because they got mad at each other and basically the iPad was in a case, screen protector, everything. And my son decides to bang it on this hard ass floor and the shit fucking cracks. And then the little one, being the badass that he is, decides that he wants to kind of pull some of the hardware off the iPad. Long story short, my dumbass didn't have Apple Care on it, so I basically had to pay out of pocket because the warranty that I did have, it didn't support, I guess, physical damages. So I had to go and get a whole new brand new iPad, which I was like fucking pissed about. So I'll show y'all that. I ended up getting a whole new brand new iPad. So they got the same exact iPad, but a new one. Which I have to order yet again another screen protector. Like, so annoying. What else? Hold on. Alright, so yeah. Let me get back to the video. So, I also went to beauty supply and picked up a few things too. So, I'm just going to show y'all really quickly what I got. I needed some scissors or shears, basically hair shears. So I got this. The ones I have, I feel like it just wasn't sharp. I got these like razors, so like to cut caps or like use for your face. So I got some razors. I just got 2. I had got some spritz, old school. I got some spritz because I wanted to some units just in case, like if people want crimps or something in the units. I wanted the spritz to really hold the crimps in here. And then I got this Cajun spice because y'all, I got some ginger unit coming up. But I think I'm gonna do the ginger unit for my birthday, to be honest. I'm not too sure yet, but I did get Cajun spice soy. And then I got a baby hair brush because I couldn't find mine. So, and this is not even the one I really like because it doesn't get the baby hairs like how I want it to. But I got this baby hair brush. We'll see what it's hidden for. If not, I'm just gonna order the one I normally use. The one I normally use is a whole lot dense. Like, it's way denser, but I just cannot find it. It's somewhere in here. I can't find it. I got some lemon heads. I got this out of Walgreens. This used to be my favorite candy. Like, as a kid, I love lemon. And then lastly, I went into Sephora. So I'll show you a few things I got from Sephora. So the first thing I got was these tweezer head tweezers. Definitely to pluck frontals and closures and stuff. You need good tweezers. So I got this. It comes with 2. They're pink. It comes with the petite tweezer and then your regular slanted tweezer. I got one of the new Huda Beauty lipsticks. This is the Power Bullet Cream Glow, and this is the Bossy Brown. And I say Raja. I will tell you guys, this is more of a lighter one. And the one I really wanted was super light, but it was sold out. Well, from the Sephora where I was at. So I'll probably get that from my Sephora. I'm just trying to open it. I'm like struggling. Ow, and I cut my nail. What the fuck? Let me know if y'all enjoy like these type of haul videos. It's like really raw, really real vlog style. But let me show y'all how the color looks. It's so pretty. It looks like that. Super nude. I love it. I got that. And I feel like I'm missing something. Hopefully I didn't lose it. Then I got then I got some Bomb Brow. I got Bomb Brow. This is a little bit lighter than the color that I normally use, but I got this as well. Then I got the lip liner. So y'all do know she redid her whole lip contour. So this is a lip contour 2.0, and this is an automatic lip pencil, which I think is cool. And then I'm pretty sure at the bottom, the other end comes the sharpener. So once the point gets like not pointy anymore, if you pull it out from the other end, it does have a sharpener built in. If you guys didn't know, and y'all know I got a brown color. I don't know if I said it, but I got the shade Rich Brown. I'm just trying to get out the box. Like, what the fuck? I be opening it backwards, I'm guessing, because it was so difficult to get out. Super pretty. Oh, beautiful formula hutter. Way softer than the MAC, but same concept. Super pretty. What else did I get? I also got the Rare Beauty concealer in the shade 410. I actually do like these concealers a lot. I usually show it to clients. So I was like, I gotta get it for myself. I'll show y'all what 410 looks like. Ow, I forgot my nail is like hella weak. But this is what 410 looks like. So 410, very pretty. And lastly, because I think that's it, I wanted to go to Ulta, but I just couldn't. I didn't have it in me to go. And I also wanted to get a fragrance too, but the Sephora I was in was also extremely hot, so I just wanted to get it the heck up out of there. But the last thing I did get was a Patrick Ta, his Major Sculpt Cream Contour and Powder Bronzer Duo. I got the shade She's Chisel, which is basically the deeper shade. I was super excited about this, so I had to get this baby and add her to my collection if I could open her. She's gorgeous, and she looks like this. Oh god. She looks like this. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to try her out. Hold on, you can see my background messy. But yeah, so those are basically everything I got from today. I'm sorry I didn't take you guys with me like how I planned, but it was literally so much just happening, and it was hectic. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I was gone a lot this week, mamas. I'm gonna make up next week. I'm coming back strong with major content, and we're getting back to business. I cannot wait. I also cannot wait to take y'all on a journey for these units, tell y'all more about that. So don't forget. And once my website is up, I'm gonna let y'all know. Once we do like the Instagram, all that stuff, I will let you guys know. Wigs by Mai, and y'all could check us out. But until then, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you enjoyed this video, if you didn't. Also, don't forget we're on the road to hitting 250 subscribers. So once I hit 250 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I will be doing a giveaway for you guys. So let's try to get to 250. Like, come on, stop playing. Y'all sat here and watched this, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'm going to see you in the next one later.